Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from REALME C71 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both. To get free app, code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then click on the same options in both apps to set them up. Begin by clicking on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, Allow in first pop-up and Allow all in the second one. Then click on whatever you want to in all the other ones. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of REALME and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Now it's time to go back to REALME and using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple just for example. In last two categories, contacts and files, you need to tap on Allow a few more times to access them. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. If you decided to transfer any app, choose OK in a white pop-up. And then hit Got it in Here's Some Tip 1. Now it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide on an Android. Close and add. Allow camera access in this pop-up and then point your Android's camera at the code. To input this key, click on Input Key section below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And hit the Receive button. Then wait. Now close our ads. And as you can see, after that my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!